Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to snooze the recommended post and the suggested post on Instagram feed. Let's dive in. First thing, let's launch the Instagram app. Then you want to head to the lower right corner and you want to click on your profile picture. Then when you're on your profile, you want to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy, and then you have to slowly scroll down to the section that is called what you see. I want you to click on content preferences. In content preferences, you have an option which is snooze suggested post in the feed. When you actually click this one on, you will have all the suggested posts will be hidden in your feed for the next 30 more days. Okay, this is a good thing if you don't interact with any of the suggested posts. Remember, suggested posts are not usually something that the algorithm of Instagram knows you're gonna like for sure. They're just testing you, so they want to make sure that what you're watching is the closest possible to your interest, so in the future they will be able to offer ads in front of you that you most likely going to buy, right? The conversion rates will be higher, and this is good for the business of Instagram because they will bring much more people to run ads on the platform. So this is how you're going to snooze the actual suggestions. Now if we go back right to the feed and click the home page, well, guess what? You're not gonna get any particular suggestions that are not related, because as you saw, my account is related to windsurfing, right? So if I'm on the home page, right, I'm gonna get all the content that is coming from people who I'm currently following, right? But when I click on search, right, it's usually gonna give me content that I'm not subscribed to. But after we actually snooze the suggestions, as you can see, I'm getting mostly surfing content, mostly content related to my followers. So this is good, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.